Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on notifications from Settings app on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on notifications from Settings app, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane click on System. Now click on Notifications and scroll down. Here under Notifications from apps and other senders, you will find Settings, and now the notifications is turned off here. Just click here to turn it on. Now notifications from Settings app on Windows 11 computer is turned on. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.